ki khubor ka batesi TV
ka umdi basnyambat penjaslian Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Sophistication meets style. The stylish trendsetter Tata Curve SUV is in town. India's first coupe SUV is now in Shillong.
I wanna make up right now, see you whining, grinding, all on the floor like that.
Ki Samla Pule na ka Manipur Student Union hakajan miet chong ka singi tho dieng ka pratri unai weng araja usau kila pelong na ka Jingthang mambati pat ka Jingduai kom shibenta ban ai ka Jingkyshan ya ki nongelam ka nehusu bat ka KSU nehu unit ki bala lam khmat ban pelong ya ka Jingsha Thngan ju ki Samla Pule pelau jong skol ba nehu na ka benta ban dawa hiar suki ya vice chancellor u professor PS Shukla hakaji kerat migila pathai kubor Presiden Jangka Manipur Student Union Udhana Kumar Ulaong Bakum ki Samla Pule ki kwa bani I ya ka Jingkla Khnang ban kintiu ya ka Pule puthi ha ka skol ba nihu bat dei halor ka ni kanong rem Bakum ka Union kilawan ban a Jingkyshan pura ka Jingdawa jing Samla Pule ka skol ba nihu ki bala pelong ya ka Jingaki da ka basya jingit mentala nyau puar kenta
Myself, Thangan research scholar. I'm the president of the Manipuri Student Union here in Niho. So it's been like 4 days that USO and along with the KSO has started the hunger strike, indefinite hunger strike, and total shutdown of the university campus, demanding the removal of those illegal appointments and the make changes, reforms. So today we started a small initiative that we want change. We want change in a positive way so that the university will bring back to normalcy as soon as possible. So, and then also at the same time solve the problems of all these illegal appointments, removing all those illegal appointments like registers and bring changes. So we also a small community studying in the Nihu, and like other communities also, we also support the cause of Niusu that they fight for. So that's why we have a small candlelight prayer, so that our prayers are reached to the God to give us courage, strength to fight until we get justice. BC is the highest authority, Vice Chancellor is the highest authority in the university. He has seen all those irregularities here, but he has kept his voice silent. So that shows that he is incapable of taking up his responsibilities. So we support the initiative of the NUSU to resign the BC. So we also supported that, since he is incapable of holding his responsibilities.